तो इस बात पे आप चर्चा कीजिए. अकॉर्डिंग टू यू, हु आर यू? वी आर क्लियर हियर. Our dear friend, our dear Swami does not want to be called IIT Baba. IIT Baba को आप प्यार से बुला सकते हैं अपने लिए. He is Abhay Singh and he is creating what is called Kalki world. ठीक है, सही बात, मैंने सही बोला ना? हाँ, इन thumbs up. अभी आप बताइए, आपने कहा मैं कौन हूँ, तो ये रमण महर्षि का आपने पढ़ा? रमण महर्षि नान यार वो बोलते हैं, तो आपके हिसाब से बताइए मैं कौन हूँ. What do you think?
Just same thing. No? What Ramana Maharshi said is like same method which is mentioned in Nirvana Shatkam. Like Nirvana Shatkam is the same like Neti Neti method.
Correct.
Which in Krishnamurti mentions.
हाँ.
Like first to know who you are, start eliminating who you are not.
Excellent.
So usko like cut out whatever remainder is there, that will be the truth.
And the two keywords are only Neti, Neti. Correct ना? ना मैं तन हूँ, ना मैं मन हूँ. अगर मैं तन और मन नहीं हूँ तो मैं कौन हूँ? मैं हूँ. करेक्ट. ये तो स्पार्क है कि नहीं? तो नहीं, आपके बोलने से देखिए, यू आर फार यंगर टू मी इन फिजिकल एज, तो आपकी बात यंगस्टर्स रिलेट करते हैं. नेति नेति आदि शंकरा ने 8th सेंचुरी में कहा था, द महावाक्य ऑफ द उपनिषद. जैसे आप जानते हैं, अगर लोग सच में 12 शब्द, पूरे सनातन धर्म के 12 शब्द हैं. करेक्ट. गिव मी अ कमेंट ऑन दिस, बिकॉज ये तो आपने शॉर्ट में बता दिया कौन मैं हूं. नेति नेति में आंसर है, ठीक है. लेकिन ये 12 शब्दों में मुझे मेरे हिसाब से पूरा सनातन धर्म आ जाता है. नेति नेति तत्त्वम असि, अयम आत्मा ब्रह्मा, अहम ब्रह्मस्मि, प्रज्ञानम ब्रह्मा. यू मस्ट, आप श्योर गंगा की.
You know, I also classify like 5 truths.
हाँ.
So in like one of the title, like instead of saying like something is illusion, it's like Shankaracharya says, no, like this is illusion and this is like the truth.
हाँ.
Like Maya and non-Maya types.
Okay.
You say it like, okay, this is the truth of Maya. Instead of saying it like it is Maya. Because then it makes sense, no? At certain level, this is also truth.
Correct.
Otherwise, we cannot discuss the ultimate truth sitting in the Maya, which becomes contradictory.
ये माया में लीला चल रही है.
हाँ. So if you can understand the truth in Maya, it means the Maya is also somewhere connected to the truth only. So just like truth, first is this Satya, simple truth, which is Brahma truth. Brahma truth means like now you're this physical identification of the form. So first of all, we are identifying कि okay, our bodies look similar, so we are human. So first of all, like our bodies look similar, male. Then like, oh, these guys are also there. They are like similar but slightly different. They're like, okay, same species, human. Then they're like, okay, we are also moving. These guys are also moving. Then same like, oh, living beings. See, no, identification you are increasing.
Correct.
So,
तो 4 महावाक्य के बारे में तो उसमें कुछ डाउट है या वो सही है?
नहीं वो सही है ना, उसके हिसाब से है ना वो. जैसे वो ब्रह्मा का सत्य हुआ. ब्रह्मा का सत्य मतलब योनि का सत्य, मतलब कि एज ए ह्यूमन बीइंग आइडेंटिफिकेशन.
ओके.
बट देन व्हेन यू फाइंड लाइक ओके, दिस इज आल्सो ए फॉर्म, दिस इज आल्सो ए फॉर्म, दिस इज आल्सो ए फॉर्म, एवरी फॉर्म इज मूविंग. सो द मोमेंट ओनली वी आर क्लासिफाइंग लिविंग एंड नॉन लिविंग. लाइक इवन ए स्टोन हैज ए ट्रांसफॉर्मेटिव पावर, नो?
करेक्ट.
इट इज चेंजिंग.
तो कण कण में शक्ति है, वो शक्ति तो है.
So now when you look at that level, that becomes like Vishnu Satya or like Ardha Satya, which is like again like the first one is the waking state, then next one is the dreaming state.
Correct.
The Vishnu Satya, because they always like
Jagrat or Swapna.
So what people like don't understand, like Vishnu, the cause of the Vishnu is Yoga Nidra only.
Okay.
That's why he's like always like this, no? In Yoga Nidra he's staying, like in that is his state of consciousness. Now then next one is the Shiva. So here like till here like again you can understand like Jnana Shakti and Kriya Shakti. The Brahma is Kriya Shakti. You are waking up and we are doing stuff in this world, physical world. Then in mentally when you do stuff in your dream, that is Jnana Shakti. You are only playing in the electric currents basically, subtle energies. Then you come the Shivas. So that is Ichha Shakti. Just the pure will potential again we say, no? The third truth. When you include all of these 3 truths and say all of them are truth.
So what is the ultimate truth?
That is Purna Satya.
Okay, in simple words for common man to understand, what is ultimate truth?
Ultimate truth is Atal Satya, then that is unknowable.
Is it not true कि ultimate truth ये है कि जगत मिथ्य, प्रभु सत्य है, ब्रह्मन सत्य है?
नहीं, ultimate truth will be you cannot say anything.
मतलब the ultimate truth is beyond comprehension and beyond definition, correct?
Till 4th stage you can say Shiv Shakti. But that also you have to say Shiva is also real, Shakti is also real.
लेकिन सब एक शक्ति है ना.
I say in a stage of consciousness.